Hi guys, so for this video I'm using knitting needles in size 3.75 millimeters, and here I have a yarn in size 2, but I've joined 3 strands of yarn in size 2, so 2 strands are in one color and 1 in a different color. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now I need to cast on 40 stitches. So this one already counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So now I need to split these 40 stitches into these 4 double pointed needles. So the double pointed needles that I'm using are in size 3.75, and the circular knitting needles that I cast it on are in size 6.5 millimeters. Now for row 1, I will start by knitting 2, then purling 2. Knit 2, then purl 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 2. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, again we'll start by knitting 2, then purling 2, knitting 2, then purling 2. So from now on it's much easier because every time you see 2 knitted stitches you have to knit them, and every time you see 2 purl stitches you have to purl them. So yeah, we just knit 2 and purl 2 throughout row 2. So we'll continue knitting 2 and purling 2 until our work reaches 17.5 inches. And now to finish off, I'll knit this first stitch, then I'll knit the next stitch, then I insert my left needle through this first stitch and pass it over the second stitch. I'll purl the next stitch, I'll insert my left needle through this first stitch and pass it over the second stitch. I'll purl the next stitch, I'll insert my left needle through this first stitch and pass it over the second stitch. I'll knit the next stitch, I'll insert my left needle through this first stitch and pass it over the second stitch. Hi guys, so for this video I'm using, so now that I have only one stitch left, I'll just pull through this stitch just like that. Then with a yarn needle I'll join these two sides together just like that. This is how our finished work looks. Now if you like at this point you can make an edging for both sides, but it's not necessary, so it's totally up to you. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.